2027 election, I never stated I would be vice president to anyone, says Peter Obi. The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, LP, in the 2023 general election, Peter Obi, has denied saying he is ready to be a vice president to any particular candidate. Recall that Peter Obi had, in a recent interview with News Central, spoken about his presidential ambition, the Labour Party, Nigeria's economic situation, amongst others. During the interview, the former Anambra State governor dismissed claims that he was desperate to be Nigerian president, adding that he's ready to work with other presidential candidates. In a post on his X handle on Saturday, Peter Obi stated that part of his interviews was deliberately distorted. He restated his openness to work with other presidential candidates, provided their intention was not centered on state capture. Let me reiterate clearly what I said, which is on record. I do not want to be one of those preoccupied with 2027 while Nigerians are suffering from hunger, poverty, insecurity, and other pressing challenges. He further explicitly stated his openness to work with others, provided their intentions were not centered on state capture, emphasizing his commitment to partnering with those who share his vision for advancing Nigeria's progress. The presidential candidate said he's surprised by the misrepresentation of his words, stating, "For the avoidance of doubt, I never stated at any time I would be vice president to anyone, and it is unequivocal because my commitment to Nigeria remains steadfast." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.